Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Donna'S Recipe Sweet Potato Pie Leave-In Conditioner by Tabitha Brown. It's received 4.6 out of 5 stars and over 1,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. Introducing this new hair care product where hair care meets soulful nourishment. Enriched with the essence of sweet potato, this lightweight, creamy formula wraps your curls, coils, and waves in pure hydration and love. Infused with natural ingredients and the warmth of sweet pie spices, it leaves your hair smelling heavenly and feeling smooth, soft, and detangled. Whether you're rocking a natural crown or protective style, this leave-in conditioner is the perfect treat for your hair, delivering long-lasting moisture and shine without weighing it down. And just like a homemade sweet potato pie, it's made with love, free from sulfates, parabens, and it's cruelty-free. Give your hair the care it deserves, wholesome, rich, and as comforting as a slice of pie. Try Donna'S recipe because your hair is a reflection of your soul and it deserves to be nourished. After washing and conditioning your hair, gently towel dry or allow it to air dry until it's slightly damp. Apply generously and evenly throughout your hair, focusing on the ends and areas that tend to tangle. Then style as usual. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.